Google and other search engines like Yahoo and Bing are a great source to generate traffic for your business. But getting to the top of the first page is extremely difficult, especially if you're still using those outdated methods that the majority of businesses are still using today. We're talking about websites. What's wrong with a website? First, websites cost a lot. They're time-consuming to make. And because there's so much competition, getting them optimized with the proper keywords and content and then getting them ranked high on Google is even more expensive. What if I told you there was a better way to reach the top of the major search engines without a website? How many more customers do you think you can reach by being at the top of the first page on Google? In this pie chart provided by Google, it shows that over 68% of all of the traffic from any keyword search goes to the top 4 positions in Google search results. That means if you're not on the top, then you miss out on most of the potential business that a search engine can provide. So, what if there was a way to not only reach those top spots fast, but also have a tool to convert more of the customers that saw your listing and get you even more leads and more calls than a website ever could? There is. That tool is video. It's no secret, video converts better than any other media. And because Google loves video so much, they're just looking for any opportunity to put that video in the organic search results. This is where we come in, and don't take our word for it. We can show you video after video of satisfied customers already on the first page of Google, and because of this new video method, are getting more calls and more sales. Video works in all cities, big or small. No matter what size or type of business you have, video is one of the best ways to reach a customer. Just look at some of these amazing results we've provided to other clients. So how does it work? We'll give you a list of the best keywords for your business type or niche, and then you pick the ones you'd like to target along with the areas or cities that you want to reach. We do the rest. The best part is that this is much more affordable than almost any other advertising, and we can usually get you on the first page within a couple of weeks. Advertising for your business can't be any easier than this. Contact us today, and we can get your business in front of the right audience, targeting your customers without all the cost and hassle of designing a website. Call us today. We look forward to working together.